YouTubers, we're back. So Gavin, the wild list, that should be your thing, eh? The wild list. What consists of the wild list? Adventure skill to cultivate. We said navigation, first aid, sky reading, finding food, foraging, which I like better because identify edible plants. You know, that's very, very important to do, Gavin. We're gonna start to do this. You know what? We're gonna identify the plants here that grows on the chilling spot. Okay, we're gonna identify the plants that we can eat, because I'm sure there's many plants around here that we can identify and eat. Like this must be eatable, or but it's identify it. I'll get a book of wild plants and we'll identify them and we'll see if it's eatable or not.
And we could do a taste test.
Yeah, because you can survive only with this, with eating plant-based food. Huh?
Bring it to school.
No, I don't mean bring it to school, but just so if you're ever stuck in the wild or something, but you know how to identify the plants. I think it's you know, there's skills you think you might never need to know, but you're gonna learn one time in your life, and that can save your life. You're gonna learn, and that can save your life one time in your life, because you have that knowledge. A thing you think you never need to know. Weather forecasting. Weather forecasting. What is that, Gavin? Being able to predict the weather. That's it, huh? Yeah. So it consists of fascinating wind and cloud patterns, can help you know when you are safe and when you need to take shelter. Oh, this one, shelter building. Very good. Learn how to build a shelter and that, like an abri. Bâtir un abri. Yeah. Creating a lean-to from nature's cast-off offers you shade, warmth, and protection. Knot tying. Knowing how to tie basic knots can secure food, supplies, and shelter. Ça, c'est vrai aussi, Gavin. C'est très... Il fait chaud, ça. Il est chaud un peu. Moi, avec ma barbe, là, j'ai chaud. With my beard, I'm a bit hot. I think I'm gonna cut it for the summer. I'm gonna shave. Shave completely the hair, the beard, and everything for the summer.
Hair? I don't know.
Water purification. Find out how to locate clean water and use a water purifier in case you run out of the elixir of life. Fire building. Ah, that's interesting. A campfire gives you warmth, light, cooked food, and s'mores. And s'mores. Properly dosing a fire protects our wildland. Remember that you are responsible for your own experience. Your own experience.
Sort of do.
Remember that you are responsible for your own experience. Nobody can tell you if what you are doing is good, meaningful, or worthwhile. Eat slowly and savor the moment. No, these is kind of things we don't think about. We have to redo our blueprint. Very important. Camp in the desert on high ground. That must be cool, eh? Learn how to read the runway signals at the airport. Maybe. Oh, this one is good. When someone annoys you, say absolutely nothing for 1 minute. To pause instead of react feels very empowering. An adventure can be simple. Hike, ice skate, or go to a football game. Or come in the wild here in the wood and look for pieces of wood.
Why didn't I go?
Experience an adrenaline rush and a sense of peace during a parachute free fall from an aircraft. If there's a full moon and you are busy thinking about something else, you do not see the moon. Pay attention to the moon and your thinking stops naturally. This is true. This is true. The moment you look at something, you're in nature, our thinking stops a lot when we're in nature, because we're so busy looking at things and the wonder of nature that... Yeah. I don't know, I have to check in a book. We have to get a book for that or something. I cannot tell you just like that if it's edible.
Like,
find a pond or stream and lose yourself watching dragonflies, fish and frogs. Get certified in first aid. Then take it a step further and get certified in wilderness first aid. That's even better. Change your thoughts and you will change your world. Attempt to see things from as many angles as possible. From as many angles as possible.
one day we should bring a canoe.
Trees are huge. Stargaze.
No wonder they call it sun gaze and stargaze.
Oh, because you stare at it, you gaze at it.
Sun gaze, I could just get sunburned.
Sunburn, I rarely get those. I don't.
When we got a big one.
What are you looking for?
This one sharp as well.
For a day, give a flower to every person you know. Give a flower or a smile. Sometimes a smile is very good too. Look, that tree there is dead.
We should break it.
There's no nothing growing on this. This is dead. This should come down eventually. And that big one too we're gonna take eventually.
That?
There's lots of dead trees.
That's gonna take a long time to take down.
This is dead.
That's gonna take a long time to get down. That one probably not was dead.
Yeah. If you want the rainbow, put up with the rain. I was like, what is bothering me there? It was like a plant. Yeah. Huh?
I see something in the water.
Yeah, so if you want the rainbow, put up with the rain. Play in the dirt. Getting dirty gives you permission to let go. Garden in January. No matter where you live, there's a way, even indoors. You know, if you have a window, you can grow. If you have a window, you can grow. And you can grow... what are you?
This one, come on.
No, but don't take it off, Gavin, please. Don't take it off. If you have a window, you can grow, yeah, for sure. You can grow also. If you have a window, an opportunity, you can grow. Same thing. Go for a run on the city streets at night where there are gloriously empty of daytime traffic. Choose meaningful projects that will have a big impact on the way you live. Create things you will use or that beautify your surroundings. Look at the map upside down. You might see places in a new light. Embrace change for the sake of it. Embrace change for the sake of it. Challenge the creature of routine within you. Challenge the creature of routine within you. The self is not something one finds, it is something one's create. On the longest day of the year, and that is coming, listen to this. On the longest day of the year, watch the sun come up at your favorite outdoor spot, that jetting spot.